How to use AI to write content that ranks on Google. Most content is written for readers. Content that ranks on Google is written for both readers and search engines. And the difference between the two is more specific and more learnable than most creators realize. Writing for readers means producing content that is engaging, valuable, and well-structured. Writing for search engines means producing content that is engaging, valuable, and well-structured, and that also signals to Google exactly what the content is about, who it is for, and why it deserves to appear above other content covering the same topic. The signals that Google uses to make this assessment are not mysterious. They are documented, studied, and consistently applied by the creators and businesses whose content reliably appears on the first page of search results. AI makes implementing these signals systematic and fast. Today, I am sharing the complete system. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why most content never ranks before the system. The honest diagnosis. Most content that fails to rank fails for one of three specific reasons. It targets keywords without understanding search intent. A keyword is a word or phrase people type into search. Intent is what they are actually trying to accomplish when they type it. Someone who searches for best project management software is not looking for an explanation of what project management software is. They are looking for a comparison that helps them make a purchase decision. Content that explains rather than compares fails to match the intent. And content that fails to match intent ranks poorly, regardless of how well it is written. It lacks topical authority. Google rewards content from sources that demonstrate depth of knowledge about a topic. Not just one article, but a body of work that covers the topic comprehensively from multiple angles. A single article on a topic rarely ranks as well as an article that sits within a content ecosystem covering that topic thoroughly. And it is technically thin, too short to comprehensively answer the query, too sparse in the specific entities and related terms that Google uses to understand what a piece of content is about. Well written, but not well signaled. AI addresses all three. Step 1. Keyword research and intent mapping. Every piece of search-optimized content starts with a clear understanding of the keyword and the intent behind it. Give Claude the topic you want to write about and ask it to help you identify the primary keyword, the specific phrase most likely to be searched by your target audience, and the search intent behind it. Is the searcher looking for information, for a comparison, for a specific answer, or for a product or service? Ask Claude to identify the secondary keywords, related phrases that a comprehensive article on this topic would naturally include. Secondary keywords are not stuffed into the content. They arise naturally from writing comprehensively about a topic. But knowing them in advance helps you ensure the content covers the topic with the depth Google expects. Ask Claude to also identify the questions most commonly associated with this keyword. The specific queries that appear in the people also ask sections of search results. Each of these questions represents a subtopic your article should address if it wants to be considered comprehensive. This keyword and intent mapping session takes 30 minutes and produces a clear brief for everything that follows. Step 2. Analyzing the competition before writing. Spend 15 minutes understanding what already ranks for your target keyword. Search for it and review the first 3 to 5 results. Note the approximate length, structure, and specific questions answered. Identify any obvious gaps, questions the searcher would still have after reading the existing results. Give Claude this analysis and ask it to identify the minimum standard your content needs to meet and the specific gap that would make your content genuinely more useful than what currently ranks. The gap is where your content finds its competitive advantage. Step 3. Structuring the article. With your keyword, intent, secondary keywords, and competitive gap identified, ask Claude to produce a complete article outline. The outline should follow a structure that serves both the reader and the search engine simultaneously. A clear H1 headline that includes the primary keyword. An introduction that immediately signals the article's relevance to the search query. H2 subheadings that correspond to the main subtopics the searcher would expect a comprehensive piece to cover. And an FAQ section at the end that directly answers the people also ask questions your keyword research identified. Ask Claude to write the outline before writing the article. Review it against your competitive analysis. Does it cover the minimum standard? Does it address the gap? Does it match the search intent precisely? Revise the outline before writing a single sentence of body content. A strong outline produces a strong article. A weak outline produces a well-written article that fails to rank because it does not comprehensively serve the query. Step 4. Writing and optimizing. With the outline approved, Claude writes the complete first draft. Give Claude the outline, the target keyword, the secondary keywords, and the intent. Ask it to write each section with the searcher's specific goal in mind, answering the implied question of each subtopic as directly as possible. Review the draft for 3 things. Does every section answer the searcher's question clearly? Are secondary keywords appearing naturally? And is the content genuinely useful? Would someone who found it through search get what they came for? Ask Claude to write your meta title and meta description, the text appearing in the search result before anyone clicks. These are click-through factors. The stronger they are, the more people click even when your result appears below others. Your action plan. Starting today, choose one topic you want to rank for. Run the keyword and intent mapping session with Claude today. Analyze the top 3 existing results. Identify the gap. Build the outline before writing a word. Search traffic that arrives organically and consistently is one of the most durable sources of audience and income available to any creator or business. One well-optimized article can bring readers every day for years. What topic do you most want to rank on Google for? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a complete system for writing content that actually ranks, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.